Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Klarna on Amazon. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. Firstly, you need to install the Klarna app and look for Amazon. You can search for Amazon on the home screen and begin placing items in your cart. Next, go to your shopping cart. After that, you have added everything to your cart. Go to your checkout page and then tap on the Pay with K button at the bottom of your app screen. Now take control of your budget, then use Klarna to divide the cost of your purchase into 4 smaller payments with no interest paid every 2 weeks. So that's basically how you can use Klarna on Amazon. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.